It's been a minute again. I have no excuse. I've just been busy. The sun is up. It is the first day of spring, and here in California, that means it's warming up. It's warm all over again, and I am craving a delicious sweet treat, specifically something from the Philippines. Today, I'm gonna share with you guys how to make halo-halo at home without using an ice shaver. So let's get it, let's go. Let me show you guys how to make halo-halo at home. All right, let's talk about the base of the halo-halo. What is the contents down below of it? They're usually filled with a variety of mixed fruit, mixed jellies, mixed beans. I'm gonna do a few mixed coconut jellies that I like. So I have this. This is nata de coco, but in red dye. So nata de coco is basically a what is it? Oh, it's coconut jelly. Nata de coco is coconut jelly. You can find this in the Asian market or in the Filipino market. Also have macapuno strings, which macapuno strings are just coconut strands in sugar. I also have sugar palm in syrup. In this case, it's green. And sugar palm is just sugar palm fruit from a palm tree. And then of my bean of choice is red beans. In a lot of Asian desserts, you'll find that red beans are very common in dessert making because they're naturally sweet. In this case, they're in like the sweet syrup. And then you put all of your jellies and your mixed fruit in the bottom, and then we're gonna add our ice. I'm not gonna even beat the bush. I'm gonna tell you guys how to make shaved ice without a shaved ice maker. Let's get some ice, put it in your blender, and blitz. As you can see, we have like powdery, fluffy ice, which is like perfect for halo-halo. All right, we have our glass. Now we're gonna get our toppings on. I'm gonna open up this nata de coco first. Do the sugar palm. Okay, and just like look how colorful that looks. Okay, next, our ice. Powdery white that looks. And then for topping, we're gonna use ube ice cream and buko pandan ice cream, which is just coconut and pandan flavor, like that. All right, and then our base of choice is evaporated milk, which we're gonna slowly pour in there until it fills it all the way up. Whoop, a lot of spillage. Okay, and then piece of resistance. Some wafer cookies, because we are extra. And there you guys have it. Halo-halo. Halo-halo, mix, mix. So, you're just gonna unceremoniously get her in there. You wanna get all the ice cream in there. Okay, usually you want a bigger spoon. I do not have a bigger spoon. Oh look, I got some palm sugar in this scoop. Very cold. But super refreshing. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you love halo-halo and mixed things like me, or just, well, just me. I'll catch you guys to the next video. Comment down below and like this video. Show me that you guys like my content. Who knows? Maybe I'll post more regularly.